Hi everyone! It's 2 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria, and in the Philippines, it's 8 p.m. na ng gabi. So, ngayon guys, gutom ako sobra, kaya nagluto ako ng beef with broccoli. Yan, broccoli, bell pepper, red and yellow. So, eto guys, luto na to guys. 1 minute na lang guys, luto na to. So, ayan guys. Ito ang aming lunch and dinner na rin for today. So, paluto na to siya guys. This is my kind of beef broccoli. Special meat ng beef. So, ayan guys. So, ayan guys. And of course guys, dahil masarap ang ulam, rice is life. So, eto guys, kain tayo guys. Babush!